We would have been in a heap of trouble without it. He was able to bring it down for us, not really having a clue, never done concrete before, and I'm confident I could go home and do the curbing. My name's Kevin Jeffers, and this is my wife,
Donna Jeffers.
and I'm in the plumbing HVAC business.
How you doing? My name is Jason Klusik. I do property maintenance, and I'm in Sarasota, Florida.
My name's Jason Graves. I wanted something that I could pass down to my kids, something to allow me to start living instead of existing.
I was amazed. I didn't think they did this much with the manufacturing, but when you see how these are built, I'm 100% glad we purchased the Lil Bubba trailer because hands down, that thing is built like a machine. So very happy with that.
The facility here, they make everything in-house. Everything's American made. Can't go wrong with that. And being local right here in the States in Florida is positively outstanding and very happy to be US made.
The Lil Bubba facility is top notch. It's organized. Everything you need to continue in the business is but a phone call away.
To the trainers, I tell you what, top notch. I mean, hands down, I feel very comfortable and they were awesome.
The training staff, if you can get past their accents, is outstanding. Very educational, hands-on, and definitely we're able to learn a lot in a short amount of time, enough where we are comfortable to go on and move forward with our business.
My training here for 3 days here at Lil Bubba has been awesome. First day, we learned about marketing, very informative, covered a lot of bases. Second day, we were out there hands-on, laying strips, laying curbing, doing standard style. Carl was wonderful in showing us exactly how to do our mix, getting our mix just right, and laying it down, coming back, trialing it.
The equipment, everything's easy to use, easy to understand. The process that they teach is just hands-on and very easy to comprehend.
My starting a business without this training would have been poor. I don't have a concrete background. I don't have a curbing background. My last job was driving big trucks. This taught me how to do the mix. It taught me how to run the machine, how to do the trenching, it taught me every single part that I need to be successful. My confidence level after the training is extremely high.
Overall, Lil Bubba is an outstanding way to go. Knowledge-wise, they are top-tiered, looking out for us in the future. The team has been so enjoyable to work with. No complaints whatsoever. They're honest, they're upfront, and if you have questions, they're up and willing to help in the future. Everybody, I got 10 different phone numbers from 6 different guys, and I'm not worried if I have a question or if I have a problem. I know someone's going to be able to be there to answer.
What I'd say to people that are looking to do this, do it. The profit margin on compared to what you're putting out is, yeah, you might be putting out a lot at first, but you're going to make that back and make it back quick.